Yan na guys, ang aming nahuli. Ilang piraso lang pero malalaki. Yan, hindi namin kasi kinuha yung maliliit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 piraso. Go kuya.
Lapit mo yung video mo. May huli ito eh.
Ha?
Lapit mo yung camera mo. May video meron. Tawagan mo sa kanila pag pinapakita niya.
Kuya, use the camera. Remove the light. Okay, come. Come that side. You go that
I
side.
cannot remove the light.
Wait, come. I will. Slowly, slowly. Yeah, enough. Other side. Give me the the camera. I will remove the. Yeah.
Shall I pause the video?
I got 3. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Look at this guys. We have 3. 3 fish already. It's so nice. Catch. Nice catch.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
There is 3. 1,
Oh, touch it.
2, 3. I want to touch it. How can I touch it? How? Hello. Hello, my friend. My friend. Can you please stop spinning ba? Bro, stop.
Yay! Huli tayo ng cuttlefish. Bagulan. 2 to. Yung isa na doon sa kapatid ko. Hinuli namin using kamay lang ang pinaghuli namin kasi wala kaming panghuli na sigpaw. Ayan na busgad. Hinuli namin hanggang sa tabi, hinabog namin papunta sa tabi kaya naman nahuli namin siya. Ayan guys, laki. Thank you for watching.